Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to change a Powerdrive wheel on a Muck-Truck product. We've got to remove this bracket, and to remove this bracket we remove this cap here, star cap, and sometimes they destroy and sometimes you can save them. So you can get a screwdriver in behind. Prise it off. If you look at the new star cap, it's castellated on the inside and that fits onto the bar, so there's no lock nuts, no nuts or anything else to undo. First of all, remove some air out of the two tires. I use these clips to stop the valve going back into the wheel and losing the valve. Need my glasses on. I'm not leaving 100% of the air out. Now that will relieve the pressure here onto this middle wheel. To remove this Powerdrive bracket, you just slide it off the shaft in the middle. If it's difficult to slide off, then you can still take some pressure out of this tire from the inside just by letting some of the air out. The easiest way I find is to rock the machine backwards and forward while it's in neutral gear. That's the Powerdrive bracket off. To replace this wheel, there's a 19mm or a 3/4 nut here, and the bolt goes all the way through. The wheel has bearings on it, internal, and then there's some washers, and then it goes to the head of the bolt. So if you're going to remove it, just undo that nut and take the bolt out, but replace the washers in where they need to be. Now when you're tightening this nut up, you only tighten it up so it just keeps some pressure off that bearing. If you put too much side load onto that bearing, it will slow down the wheel from spinning. To replace the Powerdrive wheel, put the bracket back on the shaft, put some pressure on and rock the machine backwards and forwards while keeping pressure onto this bracket. When it's all the way on, we're going to put the star cap back on. Put your finger on the star cap and hit it with a rubber mallet. That's it in place, and now blow up the tires.